Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're taking the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 for a spin. Samsung's latest round smartwatch that packs serious health smarts, powerful internals, and AI wellness features. But in 2025, with stiff competition in the smartwatch playground, is it still worth the wrist real estate? Let's break it down. Remember, all the products in this video will be linked in the description. Check that out if you're interested. No major surprises here. Samsung plays it safe with the Watch 7, retaining the sleek, lightweight design of previous models. It comes in 40mm and 44mm sizes, weighing 28.8 grams and 33.8 grams respectively, and features a premium sapphire crystal display with an aluminum armor frame and IP68 ratings. Samsung sticks with its signature bright, vibrant AMOLED look, sharp, clear, and always-on capable. The watch is comfortable as ever, especially compared to bulkier alternatives like the Samsung Ultra. Inside beats the powerful Exynos W1000, a 3nm chip that brings about 3 times better performance and 30% improved efficiency over prior models. Storage has doubled to 32GB, RAM is 2GB, and GPS is now dual band for accuracy. AI-powered tools include a daily energy score, sleep apnea detection, and metabolic health insights, leveraging Samsung's improved bioactive sensor, which is FDA authorized. You're also looking at Wear OS 5 with One UI Watch 6, gesture controls, double pinch, shake, and robust health tracking across workouts, sleep, body composition, ECG, blood oxygen, and more. This is where things get prickly. Battery capacities remain the same as last year: 300 mAh for the 40mm, 425 mAh for the 44mm. Typical battery estimates. Samsung claims about 1 to 1.5 days, 30 hours with always on, 40 with raise to wake. Many reviewers confirm roughly 24 to 48 hours depending on usage. Real-world feedback is a mixed bag. Trusted reviews reported around 40 hours, raise to wake, and 30 hours with always on. TechAdvisor found solid 24-hour performance, sometimes stretching halfway into the second day. T3 and TechRadar noted daily charging often lands on your plate, even with lighter use. But there were several reports of erratic battery drain. Some users saw rapid drain during sleep or even when idle. Samsung identified a Bluetooth-related bug affecting battery life, and users saw major improvements after updates. How2Geek confirmed battery stabilized post-patch. Their 44mm model consistently lasted over 24 hours, which is more in line with expectations for Galaxy watches. Charging tops out at around 10 to 15 watts and takes just over an hour to fill up. It's faster, but still not as quick as some competitors. Pros: clean, comfortable, familiar Samsung design. Snappy performance via the Exynos W1000. Dual-band GPS and plentiful storage DAR RAM. Advanced AI wellness tools and sleep apnea detection. Reliable Wear OS 5/1 UI integration with the Android ecosystem. Cons: battery life is average at best. Most users charge daily, and early units had Bluetooth-related drain issues. Patch helps. Charging is only modestly improved, 10 to 15 watts. Looks almost identical to the Watch 6. No big design innovation. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is a well-rounded, health-centric wearable with solid performance, smart tracking, and tight Android integration. If you're upgrading from a Watch 5 or older, or switching from another brand, it's a strong pick, especially with AI insights and sensor upgrades. If this review helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. New here? Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. You deserve top-tier advice. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.